Carry-on luggage is built to make traveling easier for everyone. The best options are lightweight, durable, and designed with smart features that fit real-life needs. Many now include organized compartments to make packing simple, tough materials to handle rough travel, and even tech like built-in chargers and GPS tracking. These carry-ons aren't just bags, they're tools to help you move smoothly through airports and keep your things safe. With so many options available on the market, choosing the right carry-on luggage can be challenging. That's why in this video, I'll be discussing the carry-on luggage. You can find the links to the best prices for each product in the description below. Please note that the products are not ranked in any specific order, so make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important details. Let's start with number 5. Briggs & Riley Essential Baseline Carry-On. I mostly travel with hard-side luggage due to it feeling more impact-resistant, but I tested the Briggs & Riley Essential Baseline after it came highly recommended by other travel editors and writers I know, as well as my colleagues. This model was named the best soft-side pick in our roundup of the best luggage, and was additionally tested by Forbes-vetted branded content editor Luke Fader. I was impressed by its great features. The built-in garment folder in particular came in handy for wrinkle-free dresses. A large pocket on the front allows for quick, easy access to a sweater or scarf, while a smaller additional pocket is designed to hold your cell phone and charging cables. Much like the Simpatico, it has a pop-up expandable feature. But due to its soft exterior, I felt that I could squeeze even more clothing into it. While it's definitely pricey, friends of mine who have used it have told me that their bags have lasted for years. I also think it has a very sophisticated look, despite it having a more minimalist exterior than the Simpatico. This suitcase is the heaviest option on this list, coming in at 10 pounds. If you end up needing to check your bag, you'll want to keep this in mind so you stay within your airline's luggage weight requirements. Number 4. Briggs & Riley Simpatico Essential Spinner. As a premium travel brand, Briggs & Riley suitcases don't come cheap, but there's a reason the brand's bags have sustained a loyal following. These suitcases are well-made, durable, and long-lasting, meaning that one investment can serve you on many trips for years to come. Briggs & Riley recently released a redesign of one of its classic suitcase styles, the Simpatico, which I traveled with on recent trips to London and Portland, Maine. Built with a sturdy, shock-absorbing Macrolon polycarbonate, the bag's exterior shell has an aesthetically pleasing gloss to it and feels solid and durable. After my trips, both of which involved dragging the suitcase up and down many curbs and sliding it into overhead bins, the bag showed no signs of any scratches or dents. Aside from a durable shell and built-in TSA lock, this bag had the most space of any of the hard-side bags I've recently used. This is because the bag's handle is latched onto the back of the suitcase, rather than built in through the suitcase, which would have taken up valuable packing room. In addition to that extra space, this bag is also expandable. Using its pop-up expansion feature, I was able to squeeze over a week's worth of clothing for my Portland trip and could have even squeezed in another shirt or two. Compared to other contenders on this list, the only suitcases that come close in terms of capacity are Away's bigger carry-on and Bay's carry-on roller. While both of those bags are also made of polycarbonate, Briggs & Riley's Macrolon polycarbonate is far more scratch and dent proof, making it worth the investment if you want your bag to stay pristine. Number 3. Monos Carry-On Pro. At under 8 pounds, the Monos Carry-On Pro is fairly lightweight, yet feels far from flimsy. I'm so impressed by the suitcase's satisfying heft that I asked several friends to roll it around to experience it themselves. They all agreed. This suitcase feels dependable enough to leave momentarily standing without fear of it rolling down a hill. Its polycarbonate shell feels equally tough. I traveled with the suitcase on 3 different domestic trips and noticed barely any scuffing afterward, despite the fact that I was using one of the lighter colors, sage green. That durable exterior provides a layer of confidence around the suitcase's laptop compartment, which is spacious enough to hold a 15-inch laptop along with a few other small travel accessories. The bag's 360-degree spinner wheels are incredibly smooth, and I appreciate that its telescopic handle stayed firm after blocks of bouncing across Boston's cobblestone streets. This suitcase also comes with a helpful laundry bag and 2 shoe bags to make packing easier, and an integrated TSA lock for enhanced security. The brand's website advertises this bag as spacious enough for 5-day trips, but the bag's laptop pocket does subtract some of that space, which is why I deducted points. After multiple trips, I would recommend 3 to 4 days as the sweet spot. Another thing to note is that the handles tend to lock up if you pack this suitcase to the brim, so overpackers may want to opt for an expandable bag, like the Briggs & Riley or Bay suitcases that also made this list. Number 2. Travel Pro Platinum Elite Carry-On Spinner. A carry-on for international travel needs to be constructed with durability in mind. The Travel Pro Platinum Elite carry-on spinner's exterior fabric feels so sturdy that I confidently recommend it for longer international trips. This suitcase is also featured on our list of best luggage as the top pick for international travel, based on additional testing by Forbes Vetted's editorial director, Brenda Ayer. The chrome zippers, in particular, feel extra durable and tug-proof. After stuffing it with clothes on 3 different trips, I understood why this brand is a favorite of pilots and flight attendants. The carry-on is outfitted with interior compression straps, accessory pockets, a water-resistant toiletry bag, and a removable suitor system. The handle has a rubber contour grip and 4 adjustable heights, plus a top handlebar with padding that helped me hoist the suitcase into overhead bins with ease. Compared to other chic, minimalist options that made our list, like the Bays, Monos, and Away Hardside suitcases, this bag certainly looks more utilitarian than fashionable. Other soft-side options on the market have a bit more panache, like the Briggs & Riley Essential Baseline. However, for a well-made bag that is built to handle international travel, fans of soft-side luggage would be remiss to cross this option off the list based on style alone. Number 1. Away the bigger carry-on. For international travel, durability is essential, and the Travel Pro Platinum Elite carry-on spinner is designed to deliver just that. The suitcase's robust exterior fabric is built to withstand the rigors of extended trips, making it an ideal choice for 5 to 7 day excursions. This carry-on has gained a reputation for excellence, evidenced by its ranking as the top pick for international travel in Forbes Vetted's list, as determined by editorial director Brenda Ayer. The chrome zippers are especially impressive tug-proof and built to last, providing peace of mind during your travels. After testing it across 3 different trips, I can see why pilots and flight attendants swear by this brand. With 2 large exterior pockets, you can easily access essentials without rummaging through your packed items. While it may not cater to those who prefer a modern aesthetic, the Travel Pro Platinum Elite combines functionality with reliability, ensuring your belongings stay secure and organized. For frequent travelers, this suitcase is a trustworthy companion that will stand the test of time. Best for 5 to 7 day trips, durable materials, and sturdy zippers. 2 large exterior pockets, skip if you prefer a modern aesthetic.